Hey guys, this is Mama Made. This is my giant couponing haul for the week of October the 16th through the 22nd, 2020. I do shop at Giant. A lot of times Stop and Shop and Martin's we have the same deals, but not always. So just double check your own ads and prices in store. Even regions of Giants can vary. So always check your own store before you do the same matchups. Breakdown will be in the description box below. Before we get started, I wanted to let you know that I grabbed the Giant Savory magazine. Now I have these like this because they're actually 2-in-1. They have in November and October. I did a quick flip through. I saw like 5 coupons. I don't even know if I would use any of them. But anyway, these were at the bottom of the registers. That's where I saw them at. So hopefully you're able to grab them. I will cut out the coupons that's in them and post a picture over on Instagram if you want to see exactly what's in them. I don't know if I'll get to that today, but definitely keep your eyes out for your savory magazines. They sometimes are found back in the bakery. I've seen them on racks in front of the store. They're always moving them around, so keep your eyes out. There's a lot of deals. I'm going to try not to ramble, try to just give you the breakdowns and get on with it. So here we go. Sargento is $2.50. There's a $1.25 digital coupon, so it makes that $1.25. The coupon is for the Reserve series, so make sure you're grabbing that. Cinnamon rolls. You can grab cinnamon rolls or crescent rolls. This week they're on sale for $2. There's a $1 off 3 digital, and then I'll be getting back a $1 off 3 from Savings Star, making that $4 or $1.33 each. And if you haven't checked it out, I'll try to link it below. I have a cinnamon roll monkey bread that you make with canned cinnamon rolls. It's amazing, guys. I'll be making that for my family upcoming soon, maybe Thanksgiving morning, but I don't know. It's amazing. I'll link it below. If you haven't made it and you're going to buy cinnamon rolls, you have to try it. It's so good. My husband is going to be so happy when he sees that I bought Entemans. So this is a special treat. This isn't an amazing deal, but if this is something you like, it's a good price to pick up on it. So they're $4.99 at buy one get one free. Ibotta has a 75-cent rebate. I'm thinking it'll probably reset. Ibotta, when they reset 24 hours later, check your account and it'll show up. You can submit your receipt again as long as you're not doing the exact same rebate for the same product, if that makes sense. So I'm hoping that resets. If it doesn't reset, I paid $4.24 or $2.12. But for a box of Entemans, that's a great deal. And for something that makes my husband happy, that's a great deal. But if it resets and I can do it twice, it'll be $3.49 or $1.75 a piece. So I was excited about that. Kellogg's, I really like giving these to my kids when I just need to give them a quick breakfast. They're $1.99 when you buy 3. Special K, and there's, I can't think what it is. Another product are also included in this sale. I went on my Kellogg's Family Rewards, printed off $1 off coupons. I printed 3 of them, making that $2.97 or 99 cents each. I did have trouble getting those coupons to print. I wasted like 1,600 points because the coupons would never print, but that could have been my computer issue. I'm not sure, but just giving you a little heads up there. Kellogg's has been giving me some issues. The past 2 times I've redeemed points. I don't know what's going on. Ragu this week is on sale for $1.50. There's a 75-cent Ibotta rebate, making them 75 cents a piece. There's also, if you want to do Alfredo sauce, there's 75 cents on Ibotta for that as well. It is a separate rebate. I didn't write this down, but Turkey Hill was $2.50. I had a 50-cent coupon that doubled that Turkey Hill mailed me. You can contact them, ask them for coupons, and they mail you a whole bunch. It's great. I have a video on all the companies that mail you coupons. If you haven't seen that, check out that video and contact companies. Lots of them will give you coupons. I'll try to link that below as well as the cinnamon roll recipe. This is a freebie again. I did this last week or the week before. Make sure you're grabbing Knor Selects. Go to your Fetch app, submit it. You can actually do this twice. I think it's once per receipt though. So they're $2.09. Fetch gives you back 2,090 points, which is equal to making it completely free. I don't even know if we're going to like this, but free is free. I'll take it. If you don't have Fetch, sign up for them. They're awesome. I do have a referral code if you have never signed up for them. I think they're giving back like 2,000 points, which is equal to $2. So you might as well use someone's referral code if you're going to sign up. Okay, Old El Paso. My store did not have any tags up saying save $5 instantly. They had the sale tags up, but no advertisement of the spend 10, save $5, which is basically like a 50% off sale. Purchased 2 of these kits because these kits have hard shells, flour tortillas, taco sauce, and a packet of seasoning. So that's a really great deal. They're on sale for $2.50. And then I picked up 4 cans of beans, which are on sale for $4 for $5. So it's a cost of $10. The $5 instant savings comes off, making it a cost of $5 or 83 cents a piece. That's a great deal if you like these products. I make tostadas. I'll make crunch wraps with the taco shells. Just break them in half and do half portions. It works out just fine. Okay, sorry guys, I'm trying not to be super fast, but there's a lot to talk about. Yoplait, the gogurts are 2 for $4. There's a $1.50 digital as well as a $1.50 savings star, making them $1 or 50 cents a piece. And just a warning, savings star is being really weird right now. You're not able to add any of your linked cards, so I'm not sure what's going on with them. So if you don't already have savings star established, you might have a little bit of trouble with them. So hopefully you already have everything set up okay. The complete Chobani, I did post on Instagram. If you don't follow me, I'll link my handle down below. I think it's mama_maid_couponer, something like that. $1.39. They're giving this away completely free as long as you load the digital coupon. Ibotta has 50 cents off of 2 back. And then Checkout 51 is giving back $1 off of 2. So that makes them a little 11-cent moneymaker. Okay, Kotex. This is completely free. This product is on sale for $3. There's a $1 digital, and then there's $2 back on Ibotta. So it makes that completely free. That's going to be a donate item. The luvs, unfortunately, I'm still buying diapers, so just going to end up probably using these, even though luvs isn't my favorite. For this price, we will use them. $6.99. There's a $3.50 off of 2 digital. I had one in my account, and hopefully you have that as well. That was available like 2 weeks ago. And then I also got a $2 off of 1. Ibotta has a $1.50 rebates. You can submit that twice, making it a cost of $5.48 or $2.74 a piece. And for diapers, that's a pretty good deal. Let's do the poise here. So I purchased 3 of them at $5.49. There is a 4 off of 2 digital, a 2 off of 1 digital, and a 3 off of 1 digital. They all work together and they all come off just fine. Ibotta is giving you back $4 off of 2. That does say it has to be on, I think it said original or regular or something like that. Not on the ultra thin or fit and active or something like that. Just scan your product to verify before you buy them, because the 4 off of 2, that's a pretty big rebate to be missing out on. I also got back 1,200 points for the active collection, and I also got some tracking for, there's a spend, I don't know, it's like $30, you get back 10. It's a tracking deal. I got some tracking for that. I also got some tracking for I think it's spend $15 on poise. You get back 4,000 points or something like that. Tracking on that. And then I'll be getting tracking on Saving Star, which I doubt I'll hit that Saving Star rebate. It's like $30. But anyway, $2.27 plus all that tracking. So 76 cents a piece. But like I said, I did reach one of my 10,000 point thresholds for that grocery store rebate on Fetch for purchasing Unilever coupons or Unilever products. So that pushed me to the edge where I got those points. So I'm okay with paying that price. Pretty good deal. And I think we're on the last deal already. I was so excited to finally get like healthy food produce deal. You rarely ever see these, honestly. So I had a 5 off of 10 produce coupon. That was a digital coupon. I loaded it to my card last weekend, I believe it showed up. Only one of my cards got it, so I don't know if you have it or not. It does expire, I believe, today, which is Friday. So you need to spend $10. I was gonna do pumpkins, they're 2 for $10, and the digital coupon was attaching to them, making them $2.50 a piece for pumpkins, but I decided to just be more thrifty and buy things that my family would eat instead of just sitting on my porch and letting them rot. So the potatoes were $2.99. The blueberries were, let's see, $3.33, and I got buy one get one free blackberries at $3.99. $10.31. The $5 off of 10 produce coupon came off just fine, making it $5.31 or $1.33 a piece, which is a pretty good deal on produce when you never basically get fresh produce super cheap at a grocery store. So guys, that is it for my couponing haul. I'm going to try to remember to link the cinnamon roll monkey bread recipe and the video that will show you some companies that mail you coupons. All right, guys, that's it. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you in my next video.